What's going on, guys? Liz here from Learn Robotics. Just wanted to give you guys an update on my FlashForge Adventure 3 Lite in case you're having this problem. I ran out of filament while I was in the middle of a print, and what ended up happening is I couldn't load new filament because there was filament already inside the Bowden extruder tube. And so this is how to fix that problem. I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, I've got all this filament stuck inside of this tube. Show you it from the top. You're going to press down on this and you're going to pull out the plastic tube. And then you're going to remove this excess piece of filament that's preventing you from loading new filament. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. Remove that. And then we're going to actually take this tube, we're going to replace it back into the top piece right there. Place that in, press it in. Make sure that's nice and snug. Now that we've gotten this culprit piece that's been causing some problems in getting filament to load, you can go ahead, preheat. We can actually just go to this load button. Make sure you've got some filament, new spool that isn't going to run out on you. Grab the end and you can just load the filament as usual, and it should be a little bit easier of a time. I like to do like just a little bit of a preload before it's at temp, so you can kind of see in here. I'm not quite putting it through the motor wheels. I'm just leaving it here just so that it's ready for when it's preheated. So you gotta wait until you hit the 235. It's gonna prompt you to go ahead and load your filament. And I have a full guide on how to load and change filament in another video, so you go and check that out. But I just wanted to show you, if you're having this problem with filament being clogged inside of the Bowden extruder on an Adventure 3 or Adventure 3 Lite, this is how you fix it. It's kind of a pain, and I was actually expecting the Adventure 3 to tell me that it was running out of filament instead of just running out and kind of ruining mid-print. Do this load cycle. And it runs pretty quick. That's why I recommend just doing like a little bit of a preload. If you miss the window to load in your filament, then it kind of makes it annoying. But what it should do is, now you can see the wheel is spinning. We can actually get our brand new filament in because the old piece isn't clogging it. It isn't in the way. And give it a few seconds to get up to temp. We can wait until we see that brand new white color appear, and then we can run the print again and you should be good to go. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm adding continuously new content in the robotics and automation fields, and I've been doing a lot of 3D printing. So check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.